Chapter 2: Polar Region Animals. Arctic fox is a nomadic. It can survive temperatures as low as 70 degrees below 0 Fahrenheit. Caribou is also known as reindeer. It has to keep its head upright when it moves so that its large antlers don't throw them off balance. Coati is typically the size of a large house cat. It often combs its fur with its teeth and claws. In wild, it lives around 8 years. The howl of coyote is most often heard at dusk or night, but may be heard during the day sometimes. It is a fast runner that can run up to 30 meters per hour. Finch travels in flocks of birds numbering in the thousands. Fact: the magnetic South Pole shifts about 5 miles a year and is now located at about 66 minutes south and 139 minutes east on the Adelaide coast of Antarctica. Hooray! Make a collage of animals who lives in polar region.